Hello, my name is Erika Joana Calderon. I am from of the city of Pereira. I am studying industrial engineer. Step 2, comprehend intellect property, tutor Juan Carlos Amezquita. Lack of benefit information. Cause. They don't know the diversity of the market. Lack of important information about new methodologies, the creation of new products. Light interest in improving your process. Limitation in the continuous improvement of your indication. Hardening correct in this. Consequence. They will not have the intellectual property rights. They have no opportunity to venture into international markets. Companies do not increase their value in the markets. They cannot prevent their own since they were not patented. Recommendation. Should have cultural agreements, collaborate war rooms, integration activities, and even boxing service are some of the trends that are being imposed in Colombia to modernize benefit plans. Have a clear picture of the current market environment and the importance of transforming the benefit plan will be warranted for your company. According to the studies from 2011 to the present, policies with companies to support asset building and employed development have been strengthened by 60% for the main big housing and education areas. Thank you.